Hello and welcome to Capital Investments, your go-to source for all things finance, investment, and business. Today, we'll be discussing 15 profitable business ideas for 2023 that you should consider if you're looking to start a new business or expand your existing one. 1. E-commerce store. The pandemic has accelerated the shift towards online shopping, making it the perfect time to start an e-commerce store. With a variety of platforms such as Shopify and WooCommerce, starting an online store has never been easier. You can sell anything from physical products to digital products, and even consider drop shipping to minimize inventory costs. 2. Personalized healthcare. Personalized healthcare is a trend that has been gaining momentum in recent years. With advancements in technology, including genetic testing, businesses can now offer personalized health services based on a patient's unique genetic makeup, lifestyle factors, and medical history. One of the main advantages of personalized healthcare is that it enables individuals to receive customized care that is tailored to their specific needs. By taking into account a patient's unique genetic makeup and lifestyle factors, healthcare professionals can provide more accurate diagnoses and more effective treatments. This can lead to better health outcomes and a higher quality of life for patients. One of the key areas where personalized healthcare is making an impact is in the field of nutrition. By analyzing a patient's genetic makeup and lifestyle factors, businesses can offer personalized nutrition plans that are tailored to their individual needs. This could include recommendations for specific foods to eat or avoid, as well as supplements to take. In addition to nutrition, personalized healthcare can also help individuals to develop customized exercise regimens that are designed to meet their specific needs and goals. This could include recommendations for specific types of exercise, as well as guidance on how often and how intensely to exercise. Another important aspect of personalized healthcare is preventive care. By analyzing a patient's genetic makeup and medical history, businesses can identify potential health risks and develop personalized plans for prevention. This could include recommendations for screenings, lifestyle changes, and other preventive measures that can help individuals to maintain their health and prevent serious health conditions from developing. 3. Subscription services. Subscription services are a great way to generate recurring revenue. You can start a subscription service for anything from food delivery to online courses. Subscription boxes have also become increasingly popular, offering customers a monthly surprise of curated products. 4. Smart home technology. The market for smart home technology has been growing rapidly in recent years, and is projected to continue to do so. According to a report by Markets and Markets, the global smart home market size is expected to reach $174 billion by 2025, with a compound annual growth rate of 13.61% during the forecast period. This growth is being driven by various factors, including the increasing adoption of smart home devices, rising disposable incomes, and the growing need for energy-efficient solutions. Starting a business that offers installation and maintenance services for smart home devices can be a lucrative opportunity in 2023. As more and more homeowners seek to make their homes more automated and convenient, there will be a growing demand for professionals who can help them set up and maintain their smart home systems. This could include installing smart thermostats, smart lighting systems, smart security systems, and other connected devices that can be controlled via a smartphone or voice assistant. One of the key drivers of the smart home market is the rise of voice assistants such as Amazon Alexa and Google Home. These devices allow users to control their smart home devices using voice commands, making it easier and more convenient to manage their homes. By offering installation and maintenance services for these devices, you can tap into this growing market and help customers integrate voice assistants into their smart home systems. To be successful in this business, it's important to stay up to date with the latest smart home technologies and trends. You'll need to have a deep understanding of how these devices work and how they can be integrated into different types of homes. You'll also need to be able to provide excellent customer service, as many customers will be relying on you to help them troubleshoot any issues that arise with their smart home systems. 5. Online education. The pandemic has shown the importance of online education, and this trend is expected to continue in 2023. You can start a business that offers online courses or creates educational content. The potential subjects could range from academic subjects to niche topics such as personal finance or gardening. 6. Virtual event planning. Starting a business that specializes in virtual event planning can be a lucrative opportunity in 2023. These events could range from corporate meetings to weddings and virtual tours. One advantage of virtual events is that they are more accessible and inclusive, allowing people from all over the world to participate without the need for travel or accommodation. This opens up new possibilities for businesses looking to reach a global audience. Virtual event planning requires a unique set of skills, including the ability to create engaging and interactive experiences, manage technical aspects such as streaming and video production, and provide excellent customer service to clients. However, with the right skills and expertise, virtual event planning can be a rewarding and profitable business venture. Some key considerations when starting a virtual event planning business include developing a strong online presence, building a network of vendors and partners, and investing in the right technology and equipment to deliver high-quality virtual experiences. It's also important to keep up to date with the latest trends and technologies in virtual events to ensure that your business stays competitive in this rapidly evolving market. 7. Sustainable living products. Consumers are becoming more conscious of their environmental impact, and businesses are responding by offering eco-friendly products. Starting a business that offers sustainable living products such as reusable bags, straws, and water bottles can be a profitable venture in 2023. These products can be sold online or in physical stores. 8. Social media management. Social media has revolutionized the way businesses connect with their customers and promote their products and services. Today, it is essential for businesses to have an online presence, and social media platforms provide a powerful tool to achieve this. However, managing social media accounts effectively can be a time-consuming and complex task, especially for small businesses with limited resources. This is where social media management businesses come in, offering professional services that help businesses to optimize their social media presence. A social media management business typically offers a range of services, including content creation, scheduling, and analytics. Content creation involves developing engaging and relevant content, including images, videos, and written posts, that resonate with the target audience and reflect the brand's message and values. Scheduling involves planning and posting content on social media platforms at the right time to maximize engagement and reach. Analytics involve monitoring and analyzing social media metrics such as likes, comments, shares, and follower growth to optimize content and strategy. Starting a social media management business can be a profitable venture in 2023. The demand for social media management services is expected to grow as more businesses recognize the importance of a strong online presence. In addition, social media platforms are constantly evolving, offering new features and advertising options that businesses need to stay on top of to remain competitive. To be successful in this field, it is important to have a deep understanding of social media platforms and their algorithms, as well as experience in content creation and digital marketing. A strong network of clients and partners, as well as the ability to provide personalized and tailored services to each client, is also crucial. 9. Digital marketing agency. As more businesses move online, the demand for digital marketing services continues to grow. Starting a digital marketing agency that offers services such as social media management and content marketing can be a profitable business idea for 2023. Businesses are always looking for ways to improve their online presence and reach new customers. 10. Cloud computing. Cloud computing has revolutionized the way businesses operate in recent years. With the increasing amount of data being generated by companies and the need to access this data remotely, cloud computing has become a game changer. Instead of relying on local hardware and software, businesses can now store and access their data and applications through remote servers and platforms, allowing for greater flexibility and scalability. As businesses of all sizes continue to embrace cloud computing, the demand for cloud solutions is expected to grow rapidly in the coming years. This presents a unique opportunity for entrepreneurs to start a business that offers cloud computing solutions to these businesses. These solutions could include cloud storage, data backup, and software as a service. Cloud storage allows businesses to store their data in a remote server, reducing the need for local storage infrastructure and the associated costs. Data backup solutions, on the other hand, provide an automated way of backing up critical data to the cloud, ensuring that it is always available in case of a disaster or data loss event. Software as a service is another cloud computing solution that has gained a lot of popularity in recent years. Software as a service allows businesses to access software applications through the cloud, eliminating the need for expensive hardware and software installations on local machines. This can save businesses a lot of money while providing them with the latest software solutions. 11. Home renovation services. The real estate market is booming, and with it comes the demand for home renovation services. You can start a business that offers services such as interior design, home renovation, and home staging. These services could be targeted towards homeowners looking to improve their living spaces or real estate agents looking to sell properties faster. 12. Pet care services. Pet care services such as dog walking, pet sitting, and pet grooming are always in demand. Starting a business that offers these services can be a profitable venture in 2023. With more people working from home, there is an increased need for pet care services as people are able to spend more time with their furry friends. 13. Health and wellness coaching. The health and wellness industry has been on the rise for several years, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. With more people looking to live a healthier and happier life, there is a growing demand for services that support this goal. That's where health and wellness coaching comes in. Starting a business that offers coaching services in the health and wellness space can be a profitable venture in 2023. This could include services such as fitness coaching, nutrition coaching, and stress management coaching. These types of coaching services can help clients develop and maintain healthy habits that improve their overall well-being. Fitness coaching is one area of health and wellness coaching that has become increasingly popular in recent years. With the rise of boutique fitness studios and personalized training programs, there is a growing demand for coaches who can help clients achieve their fitness goals. As a fitness coach, you could offer personalized workout plans, group fitness classes, or one-on-one training sessions. Nutrition coaching is another area of health and wellness coaching that can be a profitable business idea for 2023. Many people struggle with maintaining a healthy diet, and nutrition coaches can help them develop healthy eating habits that support their goals. As a nutrition coach, you could offer personalized meal plans, grocery shopping guides, and cooking classes. Stress management coaching is a relatively new area of health and wellness coaching that has gained popularity in recent years. With the rise of stress-related health issues such as anxiety and depression, there is a growing need for coaches who can help clients manage their stress levels. As a stress management coach, you could offer meditation classes, stress reduction techniques, and other tools to help clients manage their stress. 14. Online marketplace. Online marketplaces have become increasingly popular, with platforms such as Amazon, Etsy, and eBay dominating the market. Starting an online marketplace that caters to a specific niche can be a profitable business idea for 2023. This could include a marketplace for handmade products or a marketplace for vintage items. 15. Virtual reality. Virtual reality technology is rapidly advancing and becoming more accessible to the general public. This is due to the advancements in hardware, software, and connectivity, as well as the increasing demand for immersive experiences in various industries. Starting a business that offers virtual reality experiences can be a profitable venture in 2023, as this technology continues to become more popular and mainstream. One way to offer virtual reality experiences is by providing virtual reality tours of real estate properties. This can be especially useful for real estate agents who want to showcase properties to potential buyers who may not be able to physically visit the property. Virtual reality tours can provide a realistic and immersive experience that can help buyers get a better sense of the property and its features. This can save time and resources for both the real estate agent and the buyer. Another way to offer virtual reality experiences is through virtual reality gaming. With the increasing popularity of gaming, virtual reality gaming experiences can provide a unique and immersive experience for players. Virtual reality gaming can transport players into a completely different world and provide a more realistic and interactive experience than traditional gaming. Virtual reality training simulations can also be a profitable business idea in 2023. This can be particularly useful for industries that require hands-on training, such as healthcare, aviation, and manufacturing. Virtual reality training simulations can provide a safe and controlled environment for trainees to practice and learn new skills without any real-world consequences. This can save time and resources for both the trainee and the employer. In conclusion, there are plenty of profitable business ideas for 2023, ranging from e-commerce stores to virtual reality experiences. It's important to do your research and choose a business idea that aligns with your interests and skills. With hard work and dedication, any of these business ideas have the potential to be successful in 2023. And if you're interested in learning more about investing in business, be sure to subscribe to Capital Investments for regular updates and insights. Thanks for watching.